what's going on?
That's right, wait. What was that?
So there's the faucet.
Right here.
What the heck was that?
Alright. So explain what we're doing here today, Trey.
We're doing some plumbing.
Alright.
Can you hold the light?
Yes.
Okay. Just hold it on the area that I'm... Is this a flattering angle? About to burn your house down? Wow. That's weird.
Is it getting on you?
Yeah.
Does it hurt?
Yep.
Don't let it get on you.
I could see the drips coming down. All done?
Yeah.
Alright.
Or at least it seems that way. This is all material.
Now you know how to solder a copper pipe.